An awesome good morning to my dear students. Dear students, hope that all of you are fine and safe. So let's continue with your computer class. We were doing chapter number 5, half chapter we have read Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. In this chapter, I told you that you will be able to learn how to start Microsoft PowerPoint, how to create a new presentation, how to insert built-in templates, how to modify, how to apply theme and changing color. Today we will be reading about scheme and background color, inserting smart art, viewing a presentation and different views. So these I have discussed in the last class. So today we will be starting from here, that is changing the background color. You can change the background color. You can change the background color, pattern and texture of a slide. How to change? You need to click on the background styles button present in background option on design tab. First of all, you need to click on the design tab. There is background group option and background styles option is there. List of options will be displayed. As you move the mouse over a background style, it is reflected on the slide. And you can select the background whichever you want, require, whichever you feel good. Then click on the format background option of the background style button. The format background dialog box will appear. Click on the fill tab and select any fill style option. So there are so many options are there. You have to click on the color drop down menu if you want to select a different color apart from the displayed colors. Then more colors option is there. Right? You can choose, you can customize your own color scheme. And click on the standard tab and choose the color you want. You can also select the custom tab and create your own color scheme. After that, click OK. Click on the apply to all button for all the slides, and after that you can close the button. So in this way you can change the background color. Then inserting a smart art. Smart art is what? Smart art is a graphics tool that allows you to present data or information usually in the form of pyramids, diagrams, metrics. Because these graphics help in conveying our ideas and messages easily and effectively. And it contains a variety of graphical layouts and diagrams to display data in a presentation. So how to insert smart art? You can select a slide from the slide pane where you wish to insert the smart art. Their insert tab is there. After that, select the smart art button in the illustrations group. Now you can choose a smart art graphic gallery is displayed. You can select a type of smart art. For example, select the hierarchy option and then choose the organization chart layout on the right side. So these are the options. When you will be choosing organization chart, a blank organization chart will get inserted. After that, design and format tabs are there. You can change the design or you can format it by adding colors or whatever you want to give a different look. You can select those options. Right? So in this way, if you want to do any modification in smart art, then you can click in that box only. After that you can change. So in this way you can choose a smart art graphic dialog box and editing text in smart art. Then how to view a presentation, how to see a presentation. Dear students, you can view your presentation whatever you prepared in different formats such as normal view, slide sorter view, slideshow. Most of the views buttons are available in presentation views group. On the view tab, by default, a user always works in normal view. By default, it is set in normal view. But you can change it by choosing slide sorter and slideshow option. Or other options are there, reading view, notes page view. So first is normal view. It is the main editing view which is used to write and design the presentation. In the normal view, you can add text, you can add graphics, sound, animation and other effects to your slides. As well, you have a large view of an individual slide, note pane at the bottom. an outline of the site text, and slides displayed as thumbnails at all the time. To open this view, you can select the view tab and click on the normal button. Then you can click on the normal view icon on the status bar. In this way, same way, slide sorter view. Slide sorter view, you can see in the picture, it displays a miniature view of all the slides. In slide sorter view, you can change the order of the slides, insert slides, delete the slides, add transition, whatever you want to do. How to do it? You have to select the view tab and click on the slide sorter button. Then you will be able to see all the slides of your presentation and a thick border around the selected slide. After that, notes page view. Notes page is available on the view tab. If you add notes while working in normal view, you can see them in the notes page view, whatever notes you have added. And it displays an image of the selected slide along with the notes related to that slide. These notes are helpful to the presenter while showing the presentation. Whenever you have to show your presentation to anyone, these notes are very much helpful. After that, reading view. Using this view, you can view the presentation as a slideshow that fits within a window. You will use this view when you run the presentation on your computer, not showing it to audience. Only you want to read. Next is slideshow view. This view is used when you deliver your presentation to the audience because it displays the slides in sequence in full screen mode. You can click on the slideshow button on the status bar, or you can select the slideshow tab and click on from beginning or from current slide, or you can also use F5 key to view the slideshow. So there are different options to view the slideshow. So dear students, if you have prepared your presentation, how to view it? Different views are there. Normal view, by default it is set, slide sorter view, miniature, then notes page view, then reading view, and slideshow view. So in this chapter, basically what you have read, a presentation is a collection of slides arranged in sequential manner. A blank presentation uses the default setting, but you want to change, if you want to change, you can change it. Placeholders are what? These are the boxes with dotted borders that are part of the most of the slide layouts. What is SmartArt? SmartArt is a graphic tool that allows you to present data in any other form like pyramid, chart, diagram, bar, matrix. Themes are what? Themes are the set of pre-designed formats that include text, layouts, background, and color schemes. And different views available in PowerPoint. They are normal view, slide sorter, slideshow, and notes page review. So beta, read this chapter carefully and try to solve back exercise. First of all yourself. After that, match your answers with my PDF, and then you have to write your answers in book itself. Thank you. God bless you.